Hello guys, muli tayong nagbabalik. This is Nanay May and I'm doing cooking the video. So for now, I'm just going to do is just to cook the pasta. This is spaghetti pasta, right? This is spaghetti pasta. But before we going to showing the video, so nag-start ako muna sa mga recipe ng food. So this one is the it's a macaroni and I already cook it for it took like 13 minutes, so it's ready cook. And now ngayon mag-uumpisa na ako guys. Start tayo from here. Meron tayong 3 pieces of garlics and I did a mix. So mince, not mix, sorry, it mince. So I have whole of the onion and I did mince too. And I have celery and I did mince too. And also the green bell pepper, this one same it is mince. And then meron din yung carrot that I did mince. So then I have this Knorr seasoning cubes, this Knorr seasoning seasoning, and I have the datong puti soy sauce, and also I have meron akong olive oil. It's a great value, lightening, tasting olive oil. Okay, nabubulol ako. I mean, it's my tongue, it's bloated. So I have Knorr cubes. It is a beef cubes, so I'm using it. This is the brand that I'm using is for the pasta. What is name with this, Daddy? Miller's Penny. And it has also like 16 meaning with this
ounces
and 455 grams. And I have also the butter that I could using it. The brand is Country Crock. Yeah, and with the calcium vitamin D. So, and also this is the sauce that we are using it. It is extra, what is this? Ragu chunky sauce, tomato, garlic, and onions. And I have also this McCormick. This is a Italian. And also I have oregano organic. So both of these I already mixed the Knorr seasoning and datong puti. So I have also the cheese one here. I'm gonna add the cheese, and I have also the 1/2 of beef, right? So all of this is the recipe that how would you make this spaghetti here in America, but in the Philippines it's different. But when I was cooking it I call it that like half American cooking and half Filipino, because some other of the ingredients that I'm using it's came from Filipino, so and half came from American. So guys, before we are using it, I have this pan, and this pan is what iron.
Called an iron skillet.
Yes, this is for anti.
Well, that's to help to replace the iron in your bloodstream, so it's really good for you. Iron carries the oxygen, which makes you make sure that you're not anemic.
Yeah, anemic. So guys, we are going to start, and I open the pan, so I get to put the high. So this is the first time that I'm using the stove for cooking. But before with that, I'm going to add, ilalagay ko na po yung olive oil. I'm going to put the olive oil just like this. It's okay with olive oil because olive oil is not to have a cholesterol, right? So I already have 1 cubes of beef. So before with that, when I add it, so come on, hurry up. Okay guys, nakita na natin yung ating fan ay mainit na. So we can add the 1 spoon of the batter. Okay, then we're going to add, ilalagay na natin yung bawang. Did you see it, Danny?
Yep.
And also the onion, sibuyas. Bawang is a garlic. In English, in Tagalog it's garlic. Onion, sibuyas in Filipino is sibuyas. So, we are going to fry it until it's brown. As far as you can see guys, na pinagsabay ko yung yung butter kasi mas maganda kapag ginigisa mo yung bawang at saka yung sibuyas na may butter. So ganito yung style ng aking pagluluto ng aking spaghetti. This is ito yung this is what I earning it when I was studying culinary. So this is the right properly how you cook the pasta. So spaghetti sauce. So I will add to put in medium high. So as you can see that it's going to brown. Pag nakita nyo na nagba-brown na siya, then doon natin ilalagay yung beef. So we are going to put in high again, so just like fast to get brown it. Okay, so I also forgot to put I have also the organic black pepper. So this is called in Filipino is paminta.
Paminta?
Yes, this is paminta. So
paminta.
I gotta put it here. All this. So it now, as you can see, na nagba-brown na siya. Okay. This is the right, ito yung tamang paraan ng pagluluto ng sauce ng spaghetti. Ito yung tamang paraan na pagluluto. Hindi yung parang ginisa mo lang ganito, ganon. So, meron siyang step by step kung para malaman nyo kung ano yung tamang pagluto ng beef. So, this is what this food is one of the favorite of the boys. So when I'm doing it properly how to cook, they love it. They saying always thank you nanay, they saying always like that. So as far as you can see, it's going brown. All we have to do is lalagay na natin yung ating 1/2 kilo of giniling na beef, karne ng baka. Oh my God, Daddy. Okay guys, ngayon nakita nyo na nilagay ko na yung karne ng baka, that I put the beef here. You can also start to put a 2 spoon of this one liquid seasoning, original, and also the datong puti sauce. So, pwede kayong gumamit na kahit anong brand ng soy sauce. Pero sa akin, mas convinced ako kapag nilalagyan ko siya ng ganito kasi mas masarap. So, yun, ilalagay muna natin. Yan, ayun paglagay. So, mix natin siya. Wag na kayong basta-basta na parang ginisa, nilagay lang muna ganun. So, kailangan nyo muna siyang talagang ipag-brown siya. Kasi, yung nor seasoning at saka yung dato puti na toyo is a-absorb niya yung sa karne. Pag na-absorb niya na yun, magkakaroon na siya ng texture talaga. So, that's yon. Lagay natin sa high para mabilis tayo kasi para makita natin. Okay? So, pwede na rin natin siya ilagay yung cubes, nor cubes na beef. So, gagawin natin is yan. Malit-litit. Hati-hatiin natin siya. So, kapag nakikita nyo na nagba-brown na siya at napansin nyo na lang na nag-ano na siya. Pag nakita nyo na ganyan, so, this is, pag ano na siya, na-absorb niya na yung toyo at saka yung nor seasoning. So, so, yun. We are going to add first. Ito, ilagay na natin ang ating carrots. Mint carrots. Kaya ako giniling yung carrots kasi yung mga bata is ayaw nila yung carrots. So, kapag niluto ko, hindi nila nalalaman na may carrots. So, yun. This is, I think it's took like 20 minutes. It's cooked. This is fast. Ganito lang siya. Mabilis siya magluto. So, yun. Pag nakita nyo na nag-ano na siya, nag-brown na siya, so, ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung ating soy sauce is Ragu chunky soy sauce. Tomato, garlic, and onion. So, we are okay. So, we are going at it now. So, ayan. That's it. So, that's it. Hintayin muna natin siyang kumulo until it's we're going to put in medium. That's it. So, hintayin natin siyang yung karne is ma-absorb niya yung sauce. So, hintayin natin siya hanggang kumulo na siya ng kumulo. Okay, yun guys, nakita na natin na kumukulo siya. So, ngayon yung gagawin natin is lagay na natin ang celery. And this is green bell pepper. Easy lang siya, mabilis siya. So, lagyan natin ng ground black pepper. So, not too much a lot because, you know. So, we can also put this, what we call that one?
Oregano?
No, this one. This is, I gotta put later with that. So, I'm going to put the 2 teaspoon of, the flour and mix in the water. So, 2 tablespoons, 2 kutsarang harina. At nilagyan ko ng tubig para mabilis siya lumapot. So, ganyan lang siya guys. Okay. So, ngayon, pag nakita na natin na ganyan siya, Sabi ko sa inyo guys, it took like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. It's already cooked. So, that's it. So ngayon, lalagay na natin ng lagyan natin ng, we're going to taste it first before us. I just wanted to make sure na tama yung balance ng lasa niya. That's good. So that's it. You need to boil to like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna put we're going to put
Mix it together with the noodles.
But for now, I need to cook properly about the
Need to simmer for a few minutes.
Okay?
Okay.
Ready. Okay. Okay, here we go guys. Yung pasta natin na nagvo-void na siya, kumukulo na siya. So, ito yung tamang paraan na pagluto ng pasta. Hindi ako gumagamit ng ketchup or something. Pero sa Pilipinas, gumagamit ako ng ketchup. So, dito hindi. Kasi yung lasa niya, spaghetti siya ng parang Italian yung style niya. Ito yung Italian spaghetti na ginagawa. But I'm cooking it here in America. So, now I'm going to add the oregano leaves. Okay, I put it just a little bit. Then I'm going to put this McCormick Italian leaves. Okay, add it. Then I'm going to put the Great Value. This cheddar cheese.
It is
What is
Colby and Monterey Jack.
Okay, so I'm just going to put it. And then I also put this one is
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. Kraft.
Yep, Kraft brand.
Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit. This is what I say to you na it took like 20 minutes of cooking. This is 20 minutes. So I'm going to mix it. So I show it to you guys. This is the right property cooking the good sauce if you want it. This sauce is it talk like, and when you're going to restaurant, this is the kind of sauce that they using it. This is the sauce when I was studying culinary. I doing it this. So I'm going to put on the low medium. Because as far as you can see, it's boiling it. So after that, we are going to put the pasta. Now, when you're doing mix the pasta, you have to make sure that, okay, you need to first like this, put the half, mix it. So it look like you're just measuring. So, okay. Okay, so we're gonna put up half again. Okay. So this is it. My pasta spaghetti. So that's it, guys. I hope that you like this video. This is a 20 minutes cooking of the pasta spaghetti. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment. Please subscribe,
Like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment.
Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your watching. God bless you. Bye.